Welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today, we're going to be talking about some severe weather possible.
First, we are going to talk about the slight risk in the plains. Large hail and high winds are the main concern here, but we can't rule out a tornado. Make sure to be aware for tornadoes and high winds if you are in the Central Plains. This slight risk includes Oklahoma City. And we could even see some flooding here. We also could see some severe weather there in the marginal risk in the East Coast, including Virginia. The timing of this severe weather will be towards the evening, same for the slight risk in the plains. Severe weather is also possible tomorrow, June 1st in North Carolina and Texas. Tornadoes are possible, but the main concern is hail and damaging winds in southern Texas, including Waco. We could also see some severe weather in North Carolina and northern South Carolina, so make sure you stay weather aware for that tomorrow. Let's look at June 2nd now. Strong winds, hail, and even a violent tornado is possible in northern plains. This will happen towards the evening. This is our tornado risk for today, 2 out of 6 chance. People need to stay weather aware out here, especially for Oklahoma City. Let's check in with Tropical Storm Alvin. It is currently a tropical storm, but by the time it gets to southern Baja California, it may be a tropical rainstorm or depression. Some of it could get to New Mexico. And we have another tropical disturbance south of it. Very low chance for it to develop on day 2, but 40% chance for development on day 7.